What's up, guys? Welcome back to another gaming video. Today I'm going to be playing Stacky Bird. I'm restarting on a whole new account, on this account, on my iPad that I cannot film on. I am level 170 something, so let's just see how this one goes. The first levels are like really very easy. So yeah. Yeah, shiny moon, bro. Yeah, let's go. Alright, that's really easy. Alright, next level, guys. Right. Another ad. I hate these ads. Finally, go. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Guys, this is a brand new account. So let's start it. Nice. Alright. Let's go. Shiny mode. Oh, no. No, that didn't really work. Just let me start. Now I've messed up. Let me try something. Can I do release? I like them. I have to click spacebar. Shiny mode, let's go. Why don't I get shiny mode every time? Let's go! Now it's in. I'm about to get all the money in this one. Like legit all the money. Alright, let's go. Alright. It's a challenge. If I shoot all of these, then you guys have to subscribe. Oh, wait! Oh, I missed two. Oh, I missed another one. So that's probably like 3 missed. No, that's like 5. 5 missed. But at least I'm pretty sure I get a new skin. Yo. Sorry about that. Alright, we're good. Alright, I got 180. Oh, I used some more. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use my skin. I missed 4 of the enemies. Wait, I just got a new skin. Wait! I landed on it for the first time. I don't have this. Yo. I got that skin. I landed on that skin first try. I'm training into that skin. I actually landed on that one. Oh, decorate. No, I want my skin. Alright, no free? Oh, thank you. Thank you for this cheap price, bro. Yay. Dang it! Oh, taking up 5 seconds of the video every time, bro. Yay. Give me this. Man, you already know. You actually already know. How do you scroll up on this thing? Oh. I want to change to that skin that I got real quick. Pretty good. Oh, I also got a chicken. No, wait, that's a ghost, I think. Yeah, that's a ghost chicken. A ghost stacky. The heck? Alright, move on. Come on now, using my space bar. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. was stupid. 30 seconds? Yeah, that was so dumb. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not doing this no more. I'm not doing the reward thing anymore. Alright. Okay, at least I still get 100. I'm sure that's $144. Let's upgrade stuff. I'm fine with that. Oh dang, how do I just keep getting that money? Yeah, it's a 4-hour timer. Is that the whole battery? No. I'm gonna do an ad for 200. I'm doing an ad for 200. I'm trying to get that skin. Oh wow. Oh, 30 seconds until I turn. Alright, reward earned. Let's go. Oh, that was close. No! Alright. Let's get on. Should I enter the event, yo? Let's go to the event. I might enter it to get some skins, but perfect. I'm gonna try to get that shiny mode again. Shiny mode. There's another shiny mode, I'm pretty sure. You just have to get like a lot of perfects for it. Okay. Level 13. Actually, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, just get out of the way. Oh, dang it. No badge. Nope. That was my mistake. Oh, I can just click spacebar to start. That's good to know. Get your hand in the game. Get your hand in the game, video game. Get your hand in the game. Oh! I think I would have died if that wasn't a glitched out. I would have died if that was not glitched out. How? Am I still alive? Bro. I'm doing it. I have to. No, hurry up. 30 seconds, so y'all can just skip ahead on the video for 30 seconds. Then that's the video over. If you haven't skipped yet, skip ahead 10 seconds. And then I'll probably be back on the game. 5 seconds. Y'all skip. If you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 20 freaking subs. Oh, dang it. Alright, I'm back on. Wait, how do I keep getting that? Oh, I think I have to do the ad to get it. But nobody cares. Yes! I completed it. What skin do I... Wait, am I doing the bedroom? Yeah. Can't do that. Wait, what if I go back? Where's my new skin? Lil Rex. I'm gonna do that. Oh, I got a sheep too. I think I get 2 skins for doing the rooms. So that's good to know. I don't have this skin yet. Come on, guys. Oh my god, with my 64, I completed the whole house. I don't have this skin. Oh, it gives you different skins. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get this skin eventually. Alright, give me all that. Give me some dumb thing. I'll get the bathroom. Let's go! Okay, I love this one. What? Bad. Let's get that, buddy. But yeah. Yo, I don't think oh yeah, I just missed like 2, 4. I'm not doing that good on this one. Beat. Beat. Am I only on level 15? I missed 5. Oh, wait, that's candy? No, I'm not doing that one. Level 16. I'll enter the event. Wait. Look, I'm gonna enter the event. Should get that app stacky right here, but yeah, I'm entering the event. Skip ahead 30 seconds. Actually, guys, peace out. I'll do another event.